Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Vanguard Secure Boot for Valorant. Many players encounter issues with Vanguard, Riot Games' anti-cheat system, often due to security settings. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to enable both Secure Boot and TPM 2.0, which are crucial for running Valorant smoothly. By following these instructions, you can resolve common errors and get back to playing your favorite game without interruption. Once you've restarted your computer, you'll need to quickly press a specific key, often Delete, F2, F10, or F12 to enter your BIOS or UEFI settings. Look for a section labeled Boot, Security, or Authentication. Within this area, you should find the Secure Boot option. Make sure to enable it. After enabling, save your configuration and exit the BIOS. Your computer will then restart, applying these new security settings. After enabling Secure Boot, you might need to re-enter your BIOS to activate TPM 2.0. This module is essential for Vanguard's security checks. Look for options like Trusted Platform Module, Intel Platform Trust Technology, or AMD FTPM under the Security or Advanced tabs. Ensure this setting is enabled. Just like before, save your changes before exiting the BIOS. Your system will restart once more, incorporating the TPM 2.0 activation. To confirm everything is set up correctly, open your Windows search bar and type msinfo32 to access system information. Here, you can verify that Secure Boot state is on and that your TPM is ready. If both are confirmed, you're all set. Relaunch Valorant, and Vanguard should now function without issues. You've successfully configured your system to meet Vanguard's requirements, ensuring a secure and uninterrupted gaming experience. Good luck in your matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.